Hello guys, myself is Gurjit. You can call me GB. I come all the way from Australia, Melbourne, to here to get my hair transplant done. I was hunting too many different clinics in Turkey because the Turkey is best for the hair transplant. But few of the clinics they couldn't convince me. Some of them they refused because I got this hair transplant twice already back in India, but didn't get the results. So I was talking to the different clinics, and few of them they were not confident they can do or not. So in the last I get in touch with Osman here in Istanbul, and he was very confident. He convinced me. He said, yeah, definitely we can do it. So yeah, I was thinking I should go for it or not, because it's third time I'm doing the hair transplant. So yeah, finally I made my decision, and then just had a big chat, too many questions with Osman. And he's really lovely guy. He never hesitated to answer any single question. He always convinced me. He said, yeah, come and we can do it. So finally I booked the flight, and the pickup from the airport, drop off to the hotel, and then pick up from the hotel and drop off to the clinic was really good, really nice, spot on, full points. And yeah, I had my surgery yesterday, and you can see that today I got my first wash, remove all the bandages. I got absolutely no pain today. I slept alright last night. Yeah, what else? So guys, I think whoever is thinking to do the hair transplant in Istanbul in Turkey, here in Istanbul, I think it's the best place. Yeah, trust me guys. If some people coming from Australia, don't think that it's 23 hours flight. It's just one extra day of your life, and you will be happy for the rest of your life. So just make a decision and call Osman. Any questions, he will be very friendly. Trust me guys, he's really good answering all those questions, and you will be very happy for your life. Thank you Osman. Thank you here in Istanbul. Thanks guys.